Reagan's speech at the Brandenburg Gate. On June 12, 1987, United States President Ronald Reagan delivered one of the most emblematic speeches of the Cold War in front of the Brandenburg Gate in West Berlin. With the Berlin Wall serving as a somber backdrop, the concrete barrier that had divided the city and the world between freedom and totalitarianism for nearly 3 decades, Reagan directly challenged Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev. Although his advisors and diplomats begged him to remove the phrase, considering it too provocative and undiplomatic at that moment of negotiations, Reagan insisted and uttered the famous words, "Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, now tear down this wall." Woman. On that day, the crowd of West Berliners cheered, but the worldwide reaction was mixed. Many viewed it as political theater from a former actor. However, the speech perfectly captured the moment of historical transition. The Soviet Union was economically weakened and trying to reform itself through glasnost, transparency, and perestroika, restructuring. Reagan used the Berlin setting to morally pressure communism, arguing that the barrier was not just physical, but a scar on humanity. Although the wall did not fall that day, that would only happen 2 years later. In November 1989, the speech of June 12 became prophetic. It symbolized the firmness of American foreign policy of the time and the hope for German reunification. Today, Reagan's words are remembered as the clarion call that announced the imminent end of the Iron Curtain, demonstrating the power of oratory and conviction in driving world history. Leave a comment if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.